Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make AI images with your face in Leonardo AI. So all you need to do first is just go to leonardo.ai and you'll be taken to this exact picture. You can go and click on launch application and it's better to log in into an account. Of course, these are the plans that they have. You have the free plan, you'll get 150 fast tokens daily for quick creations to create like images fast, then it will get slower. Of course, all images that you will create with your face will be public. You'll have to keep that in mind, and this is very important. So any images that you created, it will be public for anyone, and they will be able to see it, anyone that's using Leonardo AI. If you wanted them to be private, you will be able to have private creations, but you would like to pay for a plan. Of course, the price is right here if you pay yearly. If you want to just try it for a month, these are the right prices. So yeah, here as you can see, you get just some like some basic quality settings, and you can use presets for easy image creation. And of course, you have just only one personal collection. So to create an image, you can start right away from here, or go to this list panel, click on image for the specific tab for images specifically. Here, as you can see, on this list panel, you can choose the image dimension that you want. Do you want to be 1, 1, or 2, 3, or 16, like a 9? So basically landscape, portrait, or something like that. So you can choose here the number of images, but as you can see, if you choose more than one, you would like to pay for a plan as well. For the private mode, you will need a plan, as we said before, and here you'll be able to have only one collection. You can add your image to the collection that you have. So for the model right here, you'll be able to choose multiple like models. They have a lot, but the best one is auto intelligence presets that selects the best model for your prompt. So if you keep it auto, depending on the prompts that you enter right here, they will generate or they will use a specific model for it. So each model is good for a specific thing. You will have to keep that in mind. So yeah, let's start right away. All I need to do, just click on the logo right here, and I'll be able to upload my own logo. Click right here and click upload your image. For me, I'm just going to upload an image of Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't want my image to be public use, and the application or the website is called Leonardo, so why not use his picture? So click here on confirm, and as you can see, now we can make AI images. Let's just say this is your face. Here, it's totally up to you to prepare your script or enter the prompts that you want. So you can do some photorealistic portrait of me, maybe add as a sci-fi warrior, cinematic lightning, ultra detail scanned, whatever you want. You want your prompt to be describing the image as much as possible. So be specific about style, mood, lighting, and background to get the best result that you're aiming for. Include terms like the cinematic, photorealistic, maybe you want some anime style, fantasy, portrait, depending on your goal. So for me, as I said, I'm just going to type here photo as an example, realistic. So realistic, like portrait, no need to enter that because like you already choose the dimension here. So photorealistic, I'm just going to do image of me as sci-fi as an example. So let me just do this. Yeah, sci-fi warrior as an example. Why not? And of course, I'm just going to add like cinematic here, lightning. So lighting, not lightning, of course, with some maybe ultra detailed, I would say skin and armor, and maybe space background or something like that. And a space, or no need to mention background. If you want a specific like background, you can go and enter that as well. So now, once you enter your prompt, you find in left of just generate, you'll find this icon. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll be able to click on new random prompt, which is generating random prompt with AI, or improve your prompt. As you can see, improve your current prompt, or edit with AI, or describe with AI. So you can choose whatever you want. As an example, for me, I can choose improve my prompt. So as you can see, it's improved, it's made this better. So all I need to do now is just go and click on generate. As you can see, it can take up to 40 tokens, and you have I guess, let me just see again. So let me launch app in that, click on upgrade. So yeah, you have 150 tokens daily. So you'll have to keep in mind to do not generate a lot of images. So what you'll have to do now is just wait for the image to be created. As you can see, here is the image that's created. I can click on download the image and I'll be able to download it without any problem. It seems, sense of this download, it seems like it uses Gemini 2.5 Flash. If you didn't like the results, you'll be able to click on edit to edit it, or of course you will be able to edit the prompt or enter another prompt, but it will use some of your credits again. You can choose to upscale, you can choose to create a video from that, and you can change the model if you want to. And yeah, so as an example, make it more realistic as an example. So I'm just going to do that and click on generate for another image. And this should be the last image that, yeah, I'm just going to click on take me there. And as you can see, it will create another image. I'll just have to wait a bit and it will create me the other image. I can download that image as well. And yeah, simple as that. So totally up to you now to create how many images that you want, depending on how many credits that you have. So as you can see, for me, just like some wasted credits, because it just added some stuff here, like some burning thing, like you're fighting somewhere or something like that. So yeah, that's the image that it creates me. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.